The next reaction in the use of acetylide is a coupling reaction. In that we are going to see the third reaction, which is a Sonogo-Shira coupling, which is a cross coupling. Now this reaction, it was discovered in 1975 by this Sonogo-Shira and co-workers. They reported that when an acetylene gas with an aryl iodides or vinyl bromides in presence of catalytic amount of palladium salt and cuprous iodide, they gives a symmetrical alkyne, symmetrically substituted alkyne. Let us take one example. In this Sonogo-Shira cross coupling reaction, we are using copper and palladium as a catalyst. So this copper palladium catalyze coupling of terminal alkyne, here this is the terminal alkyne, with aryl or vinyl halide. Now this R1X is nothing but the aryl or vinyl halide, and it gives enines. This reaction is known as Sonogo-Shira cross coupling, and the product that we will get is the coupled product. Now here R1 is aryl or alkenyl group. So X which we are using is Cl, Br or I. R2, it may be an hydrogen alkyl group or aryl group. Here palladium can be used as these two palladium salts which are mentioned. Copper salt with oxidation 1 is used as in copper iodide or in the form of copper bromide. Bases which are used in the reaction are diethylamine or triethylamine, and the most common solvents which are used are methyl cyanide, THF. So let us see the mechanism of the reaction. In this mechanism, it follows the oxidative addition and the reductive elimination. So oxidative addition means, as we are using a catalytic amount of palladium in this reaction, this is the palladium complex which we are using. Now this palladium complex, it will undergo oxidative addition with the aryl or alkenyl halides which we are using, and it will give you this complex which is the oxidative addition, which is formed by the oxidative addition. Now in the second cycle, the base will abstract a proton from the acetylene. There is a formation of a copper compound. This copper compound then reacted with the palladium complex which is formed previously by oxidative addition. This copper compound, it will transfer its alkyl part to the palladium, and this X it will leave. So this process of transferring of alkyl part from one metal copper to the other metal palladium, this process is called transmetallation, and there is a formation of this complex. Now on this palladium metal we have an aryl R1 and an acetylene part R2. This complex will then undergo reductive elimination, and there is a formation of coupled product, which is the coupling will be takes place on the palladium metal, and the palladium metal, it will get reduced from oxidation state 2 to oxidation state 0 with the elimination of this coupled product. So that is why it is called as reductive elimination. These are the practice problems.